Good morning, everyone. I am Gaurav Kalamkar. Welcome to all of you. Today's webinar on precision nutrient management using satellite and AI. Today we will understand how modern satellite technology and artificial intelligence can help farmers apply the right fertilizer at the right place at the right time and right amount. This approach is not increase crop yield but also reduce fertilizer cost and protect the environment. Introduction to nutrient management. Crop require a balanced supply of nutrient management for proper growth, good health and higher yield. Just like human need proper food and vitamins, and also need nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium and other nutrient in the right amount. But the real challenge is farmers usually apply fertilizer uniformly across the entire field without understanding that different parts of field need a different amount of nutrient. Traditional method of fertilizer application and limitation. Traditionally, fertilizer application is done based on experience and daily practices. Farmer apply the same fertilizer dose and entire field. They depends on usually symptoms are farmer dose not kept soil testing regularly. This method is time consuming, not proper supply of nutrient, and also time taking. The crop field has already damaged. Problem with uniform fertilizer application. When fertilizer is applied uniformly, some area more fertilizer than needed. This is wastage of money. Some areas get less fertilizer. This causes poor crop growth. As a result, we see uneven crop height, uneven color, and uneven yield in the same field. This is of major hidden sensor for low productivity in farm. Importance of proper nutrient management. Proper nutrient management is important because it ensures crop growth uniform and healthy. It ensures input cost for farmers. It improves soil fertility for crop. It increases overall farm productivity and profitability. And most important, it makes farming more scientific rather than traditional. Major nutrient required by crop. The major nutrient required by crop NPK, nitrogen for green leaves and vegetative growth, phosphorus for root development and early plant growth, potassium for stress disease resistance and overall plant health, and other side calcium, magnesium, sulfur, zinc and iron micronutrients are also small quantity. Symptoms of nutrient deficiency in crop. When crop lack nutrient, they show symptoms like yellowing of leaves, slow growth, weak stem and poor flowering. But the important thing is these symptoms appear on after the crop is already stressed. At the stage even in fertilizer is applied, some yield loss has already occurred. Concept of precision agriculture. Now let's understand a very important concept. It's called precision agriculture. Precision agriculture means management form not as one single unit but as multiple small zones. When the same field, traditionally we treat the small whole field equally, but precision agriculture say that every field is different soil, condition of soil, soil fertility status and crop growth. So we giving the same treatment to whole field, but we giving different treatment to different zones based on their need. This concept is based on 4 important principles: right input, right place, right time and right quantity. Field variability and field is not uniform. Even within a single farm, soil fertility moisture level, organic matter, and crop condition different place to place. But to human eye, the field look uniform and green. This is hidden variability is main reason where uniform fertilizer application fail. Role of satellite vegetation map. Now the question is how we identify an variability. This is where satellite vegetation map come into the picture. Satellite continuously capture image of the earth surface. This image containing information about how crop reflect on sunlight. Using this data, we generate vegetation indices like NDVI and RVI. These indicate tell us the health status crop at every small location inside the field. Vegetation map clearly highlight a healthy zone, stress zone, and high stress zone with different colors. We give us clear picture of variability without physically visiting each part of the field. How vegetation map indicate nutrient stress. Plant containing chlorophyll which give green color to leaves and play role in photosynthesis. When plant face nutrient deficiency, chlorophyll content reduce. This reduction change they will reflect sunlight. Sunlight sensor capture this small change and reflectance, and this change is visible and vegetation index map low index value. This is mean we can detect nutrient stress at very easy stage even before visible symptoms appear in the field. This early detection is very powerful for farmers. Role of AI and nutrient management. Satellite image collection proper amount of data. Artificial intelligence help use analyze this data a meaningful way. AI studies crop pattern or over time, compare present crop health and with virtuous condition and identify abnormal zone. It remove human error and provide accurate identification with nutrient stress area. AI cover complex satellite data into simple zone map that farmers and agronomists clearly understand. Farm satellite map fertilizer decision. Now let us understand this practical workflow. First, we generate a vegetation map of the farm. Second, we identify low vegetation index zone. We indicate stress. Third, we mark only these zones for where fertilizer application. Fourth, we avoid fertilizer application in already health zone. Fifth, after fertilizer application, we again monitoring the field using satellite image to feedback. Benefit to farmer. Farmer to approach give multiple benefits. They save money, also save fertilizer amount. They get better yield because crop receive nutrient exactly where needed. They reduce labor work. They get ability decision making because it is a based scientific data. Benefit to crop. Now we understand how precision nutrient management directly benefit the crop. When we apply fertilizer uniformly, some plant get more nutrient and some get less. That way, some plant grow very fast, some remain slow. This uneven growth affect overall yield. But when we apply nutrient only where required, each plant receive the current nutrient as per the need. This is result in uniform crop growth. The height of crop, the color of leaves, everything becomes more equal. Benefit to environment. When fertilizer is applied more than required, the extra nutrients do not stay in soil. They get runoff or leach out. Excess nitrogen is soil damage. Soil loses fertility and soil structure. Precision nutrient management reduce unnecessary fertilizer application. It helps in maintaining long-term soil health, which is very important for sustainable farming. How Planet Farm AI enable this? Planet Farm AI, we use high resolution satellite data and advanced AI models to generate vegetation map regularly. We analyze field visibility and provide zone-wise nutrient requirement. Our system helps farmers, agri companies, and government bodies implement precision agriculture in a practical way. Conclusion. To conclude, precision nutrient management is not a theory. It is a practical solution to one biggest problem in farming. Using satellite and AI, we can make fertilizer application more accurate and economic and environment friendly. Thank you.